Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going? What a great Sunday hunting for Hot Wheels. It was great. Got some new cars. Had a great time hunting today. New for 2022. This one comes from M-Case. I found a Nissan Maxima drift car. And I got a bunch other new for 2022 cars here to show you guys. These are so awesome. Hot Wheels Wagon Series, 4 of 5. It's number 214. This one looks so good. New for 2022. I love having new models, new castings that I have never seen before. It's always exciting to find. Just check them out. Top view. Check out the engine under glass. Nissan Maxima drift car. Wow. What a cool looking spoiler with the Nissan name right there. You see the mirrors all the way up front on the fenders. This one comes in a really nice cream color. And you see the red stripes, Goodyear logo on the back. Hot Wheels Diecast or HW Diecast on the back there. Some other logos there. Number 68 on the door for the year Hot Wheels was first released. They always did a little homage to Hot Wheels. We have a darker interior with the big tall bucket seats in there. Left side drive. And the mirrors all the way in the front. Like I said, not here. And no windshield wipers. We do have a little sunroof here with a little extra visor there. Really cool. And back here we have a little tail on the top. Or a little wing if you want to call it that. We do have a support beam in there which really shows because the glass is all clear. The windows are rolled down for the driver and the front side passenger. And you can see that the handles on the doors are painted. This is only a 2-door vehicle, even though it's a wagon. Only 2 doors. Check out these wheels. These tri-wheels look so cool. I don't remember these. I wonder if it's a new wheel, brand new wheel. That design that they've come up with. Nissan Maxima drift car. Here's the base. Plastic base, of course, made in Malaysia, copyright 2021, and R19 stamped on the base there. For the exhaust, I don't know. We see the pipes here coming back, and then over here, maybe this is it showing right there. Looks like it. That's the exhaust right there, I think. There, you see it. And then we do have the lights there. No colors in the back. And no extra colors here in the front either. We do have the grille and the lights showing there. These mirrors on the front fender look so cool. Very, very cool bumper and spoiler there in the front. See how he rolls. How does it look when he's rolling? Always love how they look when they're rolling. Really nice looking Hot Wheels. This is a really great find. I can't believe I found a new for 2022. Here are the graphics on the card. Really, really nice graphics as well. And we do have all those little details that we're missing painted in here on the card. New for 2022. Again, this one comes from M-Case. See the M right there? M-Case for the year. Very cool to have this new Nissan Maxima drift car from the Hot Wheels Wagons series right there. Hot Wheels Wagons. Very, very nice. Man, that is an awesome car. I also found this new for 2022 62 Corvette Gasser. Isn't that awesome? Let's put this up there. From the Hot Wheels Drag Strip series. Check out the drag strip logo. So cool with the parachutes. 7 of 10 in the series. The Mad Mouse. Man, I'm loving that. The Mad Mouse. That is so cool. Check out that engine. 62 Corvette Gasser. There's the logo, new for 2022. He's number 225 this year out of 250. The Mad Mouse. Really nice graphics. So cool. This one also comes from M-Case, by the way. M-Case. The Mad Mouse from M-Case. And there it is in that copper color. It's a nice metallic color with the black and gold stripes. The engine showing through. Wacky chrome interior. Left side drive, no mirrors on the side. We do have the nice lift in the front. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Let's get a little closer there. Wow, look at that. Yeah. See the stance? He's really lifted in the front. Very, very cool. So nice. Check out the name there on the door. That looks awesome with those black and gold stripes coming all the way up there. Hot Wheels logo in black, red and white. Looking good. Goodyear logo. Couple more logos there. Chevrolet name in the back. 62 for the year. 62 Corvette. Gasser. Love the 62 on there. Wow. It's 1962. Made in Malaysia. R19. Copyright 2021. Look at the skinny wheels in the front. And look at the exhaust right there on each side. The pipes coming out from the engine right there in the front. And then big fat tires in the back. Skinny tires in the front. Really skinny. What a cool Corvette. And that nice chrome bumper in the front with the grill. And then on the bottom, we have the plastic. Little plastic piece there. Same thing on the back. Plastic piece down here. Bumper in chrome. We do have the chrome spot for the license plate. And the lights are not painted in there. Wow, what a beauty. These are looking so cool. Loving these two. Brand new Hot Wheels, guys. So exciting today to go out and find these Hot Wheels. Now, check it out. Here is another cool one. The McLaren Elva Hot Wheels Exotic Series. 6 of 10 in the series. New for 2022. Look at that. The graphics look cool. There's a driver sitting in there. We do have the mirrors on there. But do we have them on the car? Yeah, we do. Look at that. A little different. They don't pop up like that. But very cool with the number 12. And there it is. Let's get them out of the package. And this one, by the way, guys, this one comes from L-Case. I had M-Case and L-Case finds. So pretty cool that I found this one finally from L-Case. You know how tough it's been probably. You probably know what I'm going through trying to find cars. You might be in the same boat. Or you might be luckier than me. Some people are luckier than me and find them way sooner than me. But I'm very happy that someone left one of each behind for me to find today. Had great luck. Definitely somebody was there. And these were all that was left. But so exciting that the cases are in town. That means they might have more in the back and maybe put them out tomorrow or the next day. Who knows? But I'll keep going back trying to find the rest of the cars I need to find from M-Case. I'm still missing some cars from L-Case. But this one looks so cool. Nice glossy black color. Check out these scoops right here to protect the driver and passenger. There's no glass on this car. We do have those big mirrors like we talked about. Number 12 on the doors. Number 12 on the front. The front end right there. Nice spoiler in plastic on the front there. Plastic base. And then the black metal. Plastic base comes all the way up here. No extra colors for the lights or anything like that. On the front door back. No tamper work. Just that big white stripe with the black stripe showing through. Or the black background. Do have some nice vents here on the hood there. Really cool. What a beautiful car, right? Nice gray 12 or 10 spokes. Like to watch the wheels roll. Oh, he's ready to go. Look at that. It's taking off on me. Very, very nice. Let's compare him to the Vet real quick, the Gasser. Look at the difference. Look at those tires on the Gasser. How funny. Bam. Ready to rumble. Man, these are so cool. So cool. Let's see how he looks next to the wagon, the Nissan. The Nissan wagon. Look at that. Aren't these cool? Man, these are so nice. Really exciting because I didn't even know these were coming out. This time I really didn't look at anything. I didn't want to know what was coming out in the M-Case. So I have no idea what I'll be finding, but it's exciting. And check this out. New for 2022, guys. Look at this. Number 204 of 250. Japan. Hot Wheels J Import Series. Look at this. Honda Civic Custom. I was blown away when I saw this. I wasn't expecting to find this. This is a really, really cool find. It does have the Asada name on there. Asada Race Garage. Nice touch there. Homage to Rai Asada or Ryu. I don't even know how to pronounce his name, but R Asada, let's say. One of the designers from Mattel who passed away not long ago. And he designed this car, obviously. Or maybe not, I don't know. But they have his name on it, and that's pretty cool. That's what matters. Very, very nice, man. This is a really cool card with this beautiful Honda on there. The graphics look amazing. Honda Civic Custom is the official name on the card there. Again, from the Hot Wheels J Import series. Man, what a beauty. Look at this. Check out the side view. And then look at that, a little bit from above. How cool is that? Spoiler in the front. Look at that. And that big giant wing in the back or tail. Look at that. That looks awesome. Look at all the rivets. Oh, man. Indication for rivets all around the glass. That looks awesome. The hood looks great. 42 in the R for Rai. What a great looking car. Look at the front end. Check it out. Check out the lenses on the lights. Check out the little mirrors on the side. It is a right side drive, and it's ready to race. You can see it's only one seater in there. A one seater, of course, for the race car driver. And on the card, this one, they also drew in a little driver there. That's pretty cool. Check out the pipes on top here. Very, very nice. Man, this is cool. Two-door car with only one window down. The other ones are rolled up. Only one window for the driver. And then we have the name down here, Honda Civic Custom, made in Malaysia, copyright 2021. Stamped R19 right there, and the Hot Wheels logo, of course. A little something going on here, really nice little details, and here as well. Very, very cool. Yellow disc wheels in the back, and then look at this. The front tires look to be a little taller. Small ones in the back, and bigger fat tires in the front. Isn't that cool? Really different. 5 spokes, flared out fenders in the front with those big tires and those little tiny tires in the back. So funny. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow. He wants to take off as well. Look at that. He's ready to roll. Wherever I put him, he's rolling. Oh, man. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. Let's see how they look all together so far. Got some more here to show you guys. Wow, these are looking so good. I'm really loving these Hot Wheels, guys. It's so exciting to find new ones. And I picked up the new color for the new for 2022 Nissan Proto, the Z Proto. This looks awesome. Let's go ahead and move these out of the way. The Nissan, we saw it already new for 2022 in yellow, and they changed the color on it. So not only is it new for 2022, it's got a new recolor. Now in white with the black top and the gold wheels. It looks so cool. It was out in yellow, which looks really good, and this white one looks amazing as well. Nice graphics on the card, by the way. The new for 2022 logo right there. Factory Fresh Series 5 of 10, number 124 for the year, and it's, by the way, L case. So I got a few L case and a few M case. What a nice Sunday for hunting. Great relaxing time hunting the cars and finding them. It was really exciting pulling these off the pegs, guys. Had a great time. And now cracking them open, even better. Having them in my hands. So nice. Oh, wow. Wow, nice details all around. Look at that. Beautiful headlights in the front. We do have a nice grille and the nice Nissan badge right in front. Oh, wow. That looks cool. Really, really nice. The spoiler looks great on the bottom. Those gold wheels with the double spokes look so awesome. We do have the mirrors on the side. Very nice side view mirrors. Very nice wipers there on the window. Maybe we could activate them because the window's kind of dirty. That would be cool. And then all this black piece of glass all across the top. All glass. The windows are rolled up. All smoky. All smoky. But you can see there's details in there. Nice details inside. Very, very cool. And check out the back end. Really nice lights, a Nissan badge, the black grille there. Then the exhaust in the bottom, looking awesome. Big fat wheels. Looks like they're kind of fat in the back. Let's see, are they the same? Oh, they're all the same size. They're just, I just saw those skinny ones on that little Honda and stayed in my memory there. But look at that. All even wheels all around. Very cool. Now the color's like a pearl. It's a pearl. It's not like a bright white. I think it's pretty cool looking, actually. With a little flake in there. It's got the metal flake. Beautiful, beautiful. Man, it looks so nice. What a nice Nissan. Let's check out the markings down here. Nissan Z Proto, made in Malaysia, R19 as well. Hot Wheels, copyright 2021. Very nice. Not a lot of details, but we do have the exhaust pipes right there. Very cool. What a nice bunch, right, guys? What do you think? Have you found these already? Let me know which ones you've come across already. I might be late to the party, but it's exciting for me to find these. It's so hard to come across these Hot Wheels, the new ones. They fly off the shelves in my area, so if I find them, I consider myself very lucky, guys. So I'm really, really happy to have found these. These are just amazing. What a nice bunch, guys. What a nice bunch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Guys, saying a lot of guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun putting it all together for you, and I'm just happy to show these to you. And if you haven't found them, I wish you good luck. I hope you find them soon because they're really, really nice. And they're going to be a great addition to your collection if you are actively collecting Hot Wheels right now. They're just amazing. They look great. They look great. And, you know, I know how it feels to have new for 2022 models or recolors or whatever. It's pretty cool to have these new ones because I don't have any except for the Nissan is the only one that I've had, the early one. I don't think any of these have been out as of yet. So these are all brand new to me, new for 2022 as marked on the cards. Awesome. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it again. Thank you for watching. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks to you guys. Big thanks for subscribing. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.